Have you ever wondered how to transform your Roku into the ultimate IPTV streaming device? You're in the right place today. Get it here. https://www.2tv.store/imagine accessing countless TV channels instantly on your Roku without complications. The solution is more straightforward than you might think. Begin by accessing your Roku settings. It's very intuitive. Every Roku model has unique steps, but don't worry, we break down each part to suit most devices. Let's simplify this. Now, connect to your local network for stable IPTV streaming. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is robust enough for uninterrupted content. With Roku set up, it's time to choose a top-tier IPTV provider. Our top recommendation is 2TV Store, offering exceptional service. Why choose 2TV Store, you might ask? It offers unmatched content variety and seamless integration, surpassing many rivals. With your provider ready, it's installing that new application. Navigate Roku's channels. Adding them has never been simpler. And if you thought that was it, there's more. We share tips on optimizing your streaming quality for the best experience. Feel the difference with stunning HD display and uninterrupted streaming. Your Roku has never been more deeply capable. So, whether you're new or a seasoned user, join the world of endless IPTV content all through your Roku.